Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the game instance and version, because Lightning only spawns under specific server settings. Next, equip the lightning rod or charged gadget in slot 1 so you can act instantly. Move to high ground or a rooftop where strikes are more likely. Observe the weather indicator and spawn timers. Once done, position yourself near a conductive surface, but not directly under hazards, and make sure teammates know your timing so they don't block the strike area. You activate the rod or gadget precisely when the storm indicator hits about 70%. Timing matters because the engine checks at intervals. Then, place or stand on a conductive surface, metal railing, or a water puddle to increase strike probability and make sure your avatar is aligned with the target hitbox. Once done, warn teammates to clear the immediate zone so the strike target stays unobstructed. If scripting tools are available, trigger the attractor ability milliseconds after you trigger your ability during the peak storm window, listening for the audio cue and watching the flash. That confirms the server registered your action. If no strike occurs, immediately switch instances or re-equip the item to reset server state and then attempt the timing again. Make sure to reduce graphics and stabilize your ping because lag often prevents registration. Relogging solves desync. If the area remains unreliable, move to a different high spot and repeat the same steps with the exact timing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.